All right, here's my 2012 Hyundai Azera, and the airbag light is on. And when the airbag light is on, that means the airbags don't work. Removing the driver's airbag from a Hyundai Azera is very easy. Here's the only tools you're going to need: a 5mm Allen key and a small flat blade screwdriver. This is a steering wheel. Let's look on the back, and we can see that there's a little hole here for a Phillips head, a big huge hole going in sideways, and another hole here going in the back. It had a little Phillips head in there. So we're going to leave those two little Phillips head in there, and this big hole in the middle, we can kind of, let's just make sure I got that on camera. This big hole in the middle, we have a 5mm Allen key. We put it in there, we take out this screw. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, the airbag is loose right now. Let me show you what's going on in here. You can see this nut, oops, see that little screw right there? That's the one that I've got the 5mm Allen key on. And of course you just unscrew the 5mm Allen key, and this thing just pops right out. So anyway, we got this thing loose. Let's see what's on the back. And you can kind of see how there's those two yellow connectors and all those, and we can kind of see what's going on. Okay, I got my finger on the clock spring thing. Okay, let me show you these two connectors here. You can see how there's this orange clip on there. Apparently that's a lock. And you pry that up, and these things should come off. Well, let's give it a try. I'm afraid to do it on camera, because you always ask, it's always a disaster when you try to do these things on camera. Oh, there it goes. It comes right off. Okay. This one. Oh yeah. Comes right off. And they're color coded. One's yellow and one's blue. Okay, with these two connectors off, we can see that there's two pins in the yellow connector. See, there's two pins in the blue connector. And I got my ohm meter, and I got it in the low ohms region. And I'm just going to verify that the resistance is good on these things. And, you know, I just can't do it two hands. I just did it a second ago, and it said 0.2 ohms and 0.2 ohms. So it's you know, the airbag is good. It has a very low resistance, so it's obviously something between here and the internal car sensor, and of course that leaves the clock spring. And of course now I'm going to have to order the correct clock spring and finish the rest of the repair.